Now let's go over the AR birthday sample project. First, I set up everything on the stage. Clear the canvas from previous drawings, start physics, and turn video on. Notice that each time I play the project, the previous drawings are erased. I built my project so that when you press X, you can clear the screen of confetti. This lets you keep juggling cupcakes longer without getting messy. So let's look at the X button's code. It's pretty simple. It sets active to false so it's not affected by physics, and then if the button detects motion on itself, it clears the screen. This cupcake actor is just a dummy. It only exists to create a random number of clones. As for the clones, they have the actual code in them. Because cupcake clones will bounce around the screen, I'm going to set some physics properties. I add some damping values to slow down the clone's speed, and I use a lower restitution value to reduce bouncing. Then I randomize appearance, the size in the costume, and position. And finally, detect video motion. If video motion on this actor is greater than 30, clone the coin actor and shoot this cupcake clone in the direction the video is moving under it. Now for the coin actor that acts as the confetti parent. Setup is simple, just like the other actors. When the confetti parent actor receives the message clone, it sets the variable source to the received source of the message so that the clone that is created knows where to spawn. Now it's time for the clones that make the rest of the magic happen. The first clone startup is dead simple. Wait a random amount of time, then delete the clone. Now it's time for the most complicated part, moving the confetti clones around. Don't worry, we'll break this up into smaller sections. First, we show the actor, but set its ghost effect to 99. Then we move it into position. We want to show the actor, but keep it invisible because hidden actors don't interact with physics, but we want the confetti to follow a physical trajectory and to be able to be launched. Also, we want to draw the confetti using the pen and not its actor costume. Then, set the actor's physics properties. Set the restitution, or bounciness, to a random number and also apply a random impulse, so that each confetti particle appears to move differently. Next, set the actor's pen properties, so each confetti particle draws differently. There are two types of particles, sprinkles and dots. Then, we draw until the clone is deleted from the previous clone startup block. We don't actually need any movement code because the particle moves using physics. While we're drawing, we change a bunch of pen parameters like pen size, pen color, and pen shade to spice each particle up. Now, for the actual confetti drawing. The particle is hidden, and you'll notice that the confetti pattern loosely follows the particle's path, but is still a bit random. This is because I'm not using the pen down block, but instead the draw line block, so I can draw confetti randomly around where the particle is moving. In the draw dots function, I choose a point randomly within confetti length away from the particle's current position and draw a line to itself from the same point to the same point, which is just a dot. This way, we can draw at a different location without having to move the particle to that location and use the pen down block. You'll notice that I'm storing random values in a couple of variables because each time the random function is called, it generates a new random value. This way I can generate one pair of random values instead of two pairs. For the sprinkles, I choose two pairs of points randomly within confetti length away from the particle's current position. Note this time we're calling random for each pair of x and y coordinates instead of calling it only once and storing it. This way we can draw a line between two random points, like a sprinkle. And there you go. There's an AR confetti and cupcake drawing project.